Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Finally, we have here one of the latest smartwatch from the company Huafit, Huafit, the Huafit Watch S12 Plus. It is an affordable sporty smartwatch loaded with Bluetooth call, health monitoring functions, and sports. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of this wearable. We'll check the design, the specs, as well as the UI. On our second video review, part 2 video review of the S12 Plus, we'll explore the menus and features. So if you are interested to know more about the Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the design, the specs, and the UI of the Huafit Watch S12 Plus. So this is the packaging of the S12 Plus, also similar to previous wearable by Aulon or by Huafit. Simple, compact packaging. We have a preview here of the wearable, the features and specs on top. On the side, we have some features here. Okay, multi-sports mode. We have the weather here and 24-hour heart rate. Youth in motion. So we have here the link for the app. We have the specs at the back. Okay, so that's it. So let's try to check the contents here. Again, this is one of the latest smartwatch from the company Huafit. Very affordable, sporty looking smartwatch. And the package contents are, we have here the user manual of our S12 Plus. We have the Pogo pin charging cable with the Aulon branding. And we have the smartwatch with the strap attached. Simple design, lightweight, sporty, wearable. Again, here are the package contents of our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Next, let's check out the dimension. So for our dimension here, dimension and weight, we are going to check that here. 0. So for the width here, you have 40.4 millimeter. For the length, we have 48.0. Okay, medium size wearable. I guess this one is around 10 or 11. Okay, we have 15. Okay, body frame here, 9.5. Nice. Okay, then for our weight here, okay, 0 with the strap attached. Very lightweight, I can feel it. We have 37.20 with the strap attached. Okay. Next, let's check out the design here. So, plastic body frame, curved corner, brush finish. We have a single crown button here. I don't know if this is rotary or not. Okay, let's remove this. We don't need to remove it. Okay, we'll just leave it here, sort of a screen protection. Let's turn this on. And let's check the specs. Again, here's your smartwatch. Let's see if we can log in. Okay, can proceed to the main dashboard or main menu without pairing it. Sporty, simple looking smartwatch. So for the specs, here it says 2.04-inch IPS screen display. We don't have the pixel resolution, so it is a big screen display, usually 1.98 for other wearables. This one, we have a 2.04. We have Bluetooth version 5.4 for the connectivity. Again, Bluetooth 5.4 for the connectivity. Waterproof rated IP68 180M. Okay, it is waterproof up to 10 meters. For the battery, we have 300 mAh, 5 days normal usage, 10 days of light usage, and 60 days for standby time. Again, for the specifications of our Huafit S12 Plus, going to put it here. 2.04-inch IPS, Bluetooth 5.04 for connectivity, 300 mAh battery with a 5 days for normal usage, 10 days for the light usage, and 60 days for standby time. Very long standby time. Imagine that, 2 months. IP68 180M rated. Okay, you can check it here. The next, let's explore the UI of this smartwatch. Again, for the design first, let's take a look again. Let's see if this is rotary. No. Okay, on the menu, no also. Just power on, off, and back button for this one. So for the UI, settings and options on top. On the bottom part, we have notifications. So we do have a familiar UI here. Split screen, widgets. So this is the widgets here. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button. To change the watch face, long press. Let's see. Let's check out the... Okay, we do have a slim black border here on top, on both sides, except here on the bottom part. It is a bit wide. Okay, again, here's your Huafit Watch S12 smartwatch. Sporty looking smartwatch, lightweight, and with 180M waterproof rating, IP68, dust and water resistant. So it is a lightweight smartwatch from Huafit. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, drop a comment below and support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe.